So much time has passed. In the meantime, film is no longer black and white, and analog has become digital. A lot has changed in 100 years, but our visions haven't. Since day one, cohesion and precision have always meant more to us. Today, for more than 100 employees, we are a place where teamwork is in focus. This is exactly what ensures that each and every one of us puts heart and soul into it, day by day. From the ideas and the first developments to the market launch, we work to create innovations in the area of clamping technology, which ensures that Swiss quality is felt by everyone. Our determination to always be one step ahead in time drives us to combine our know-how with the most modern technology. We focus on breaking new ground and truly believe that sustainable thinking drives innovation. We do all this with conviction, and that's why we can guarantee that quality results in safety. Development, manufacturing and production turn into passion. Passion that each of us has within us. Our heart beats for technology, and that is why we see our task in creating durability through precision, to ensure safety and not just to think about today. We are proud to manufacture the most advanced and innovative products on the market and offer the largest clamping technology portfolio. Whether centric vises from small to large or a clamping system with manual operation up to full automation. When it comes to our products, we listen to everyone who uses them every day. Furthermore, we trust in the strengths of our team and our 100 years of experience. We are GRESSEL, the ones who think differently, reshape the future, always listen and pay attention to every little detail. This also applies to those who are just learning to love clamping. That's us, those who stand for cohesion.